Let's unbox the Oakley Meta Vanguard and see what's inside. First, you'll find the Oakley Meta Vanguard glasses, 3 sizes of interchangeable nose pads, a charging case, a cloth case, and a Get Started Quick reference guide and safety and warranty information. Built for performance, Oakley Meta Vanguard glasses are sweat, dust, and water resistant, with wraparound prism lenses that boost color and contrast for outdoor clarity. The lightweight frame and 3-point fit stay comfortable through long workouts, while unobtainium nose pads keep them secure even when you sweat. Tech meets training with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5-mic array, and open-ear speakers that deliver clear audio and minimize wind noise. The touchpad lets you control music or volume with a tap or swipe, and battery life lasts up to 9 hours or up to 36 hours with the charging case. Everything you need for all-day wear, recording, and listening comes right in the box.